Today, we're going to discuss 5 best habits that can change one's life forever. Developing good habits can have a positive impact on your life. Here are 5 top best habits that can help to improve your overall well-being. Number 1. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activities has numerous benefits for both physical and mental health. It can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve mood, boost energy levels, and enhance overall well-being quality of life. Number 2. Healthy eatings. Adapting a balanced and nutrient diet is crucial for maintaining good health. This includes consuming a variety of fruit, vegetable, whole grain, lean proteins, and health fat can provide essential nutrients and overall health. Number 3. Adequate sleep. Getting enough and high-quality sleep is essential for optimal health. Establishing a consistent health sleeping schedule and creating a restful sleeping environment that can improve mood, cognitive function, and overall physical health. Number 4. Mindfulness and meditation practicing. Mindfulness and meditation practice can be helpful and reduce stress. This improves focus and promote emotional well-being. These practices can be incorporated into daily routine to promote a sense of calm and balance. Number 5. Continue learning. Cultivating a habit of continuous learning and personal growth can contribute to intellectual stimulation and personal development. Whether through reading, taking courses, or seeking a new experience, embracing a mindset of long life learning can lead to success. This may also lead you to hit one's life goal. Indeed, we are struggling with different issues. Let our struggles be our path that guide us to success in life. Incorporating these habits into your daily routine can have a positive impact on your life overall and better contribute to healthier and